Hello, YouTube model building community. Scott here. Just doing a quick video. Surprisingly, I'm going to join a group build. I haven't been able to build my other models, so my bigger ones, the 125th scale and the 124th scale. So I figured I'd jump into the small scale group build. Hosted by Bryan BG and Shawn had scale model car guy channel. So this is what I'm planning on building. Hopefully I can get it done with the tools and supplies that I have here. I'm not going to be spray painting it because it's small. It's the 148 scale. Sorry about the glare. I'm planning on brush painting it because that's all I can do here. There's a glare. I'm gonna plan on doing it like the back with the wood on the back like that, but the body color is gonna be a different color. Not sure about doing the figures yet because I don't have all my stuff, my supplies and stuff. So I'm missing my magnifying setup thing. So hopefully I can do it without a problem. It is very small. I did open it up to see how small it really was because I've never built one this small before. I'm just taking the top off the box so I can show you it's still sealed. It's all still sealed. It is pretty small. And it's got, there's a glare on it. I'm trying to do this one-handed. Yeah, the tires are right there. That, hopefully I won't have too much of a problem painting them because they're plastic tires. But, I'm sure everybody knows what a 148 scale, how small they are. But here's the windshield for it and the side windows. They're very small. They weren't in plastic. But this is my entry video. And it would be the first model I had built in 3-4 years. So should be a fun build. See how it turns out. I'll probably do some progress videos as I'm building it and painting it. I don't really have an area to really build, so I'm using my computer desk that my laptop sits on. So I do have a dry thing with the sticks, you, um, with the clips on it. I do have one of them, so I'll be using that, and we'll see how we do with it. I believe we have a month. It starts on the 1st of this, well, tomorrow. But we'll see if I can get it done. Also, I did see Jeff. He's doing the big rig group build. I wish I can get in on it because I have a lot of big rigs, but I can't paint the bodies. I'd really hate to try to brush paint a full body like that. That'd ruin it. But anyway, that's my entry video. Also, I forgot to do a video on this. But if you guys watched my previous video, I recently picked up this. And I picked up this one because I couldn't find the other one with the trailer. Well, I did happen to find the one with the trailer. It's right here. And I decided to get 2 of them because don't know how long they're going to be out for. But that's my video. As always, happy building, and hopefully this small scale group build has an awesome turnout. Looking forward to everyone's videos. As always, I watch everybody's videos. I don't always comment, but I do watch everybody's videos. Alright guys, take care and happy building. Later.